cadet and Puviyarasan.
I am good. A. Pranav.
I am that care.
From Sainik School, Amarazi Nagar. Here to explain about our project, AI-based gesture control automation.
This is our
In
project.
this, we can control the electronic components by raising and lowering our fingers. By raising first finger, we can control the outside LED. By raising the second finger, room number 1 LED. Third finger, room number 2 LED. And fourth finger, the door is open. And fifth finger, the LED starts, motor starts. We close all the fingers, all the electronic components are get off. We have assigned the pin number 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 for sending and receiving signals.
This project is done by us for the blind people and physically disabled. Although many alternatives like remote controls are there, this is an advanced model to make their life easier. We are in the learning stage, so we have done with our 5 fingers to control this project. In future, we will develop this project and we can control with our 10 fingers and we can control the speeds with our distance between our fingers and we can control with our joint movement in our fingers. This project is made by us to use in hospitals, factories, home. In future, we can use this project to the space and defense and etc. Thank you.